What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Shanae on the Scene. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be eating some snow crab legs, and I have a couple of boiled eggs back here, not too many, because I wanted to be able to make sure I could eat my food, okay? And I have some strawberry peach juice. Yes, I do. And this is very good. I like it a lot, okay? And this sauce is just like a lemon butter sauce with some, little garlic in it and little I think there's some parsley in here. I don't think, yep, some parsley. These crabblers are hot. Sheesh. So how has everybody been doing? I know it's been a long time. These are good and tasty. As you see, that's why I'm trying to scrimp for this little teeny tiny piece of meat, because it's good. It is good. So how's everybody doing? Is everybody ready for school to start back up? I know here where I live, the kids, where my kids go to school at, they have the option to either do homeschooling through the district, or you could send your kids to school. And with, I know the other, the other district within this town, they're not even starting school back up this 9 weeks for the kids. So I'm going to be homeschooling my kids again, because we all got a little bit of experience with it. The end of last year when they shut schools down. That egg was good. I'm craving everything I have today, guys. I have not had, excuse me, I have not had crab legs in so long, it seems like, since I went to Charleston, South Carolina. And I've been eating some good food. And it's crazy. I get so upset because it'll be a new spot that I'm trying out, and I feel like, I don't want to break out my camera, but I should. I know I say that all the time, but I really should, because I be hitting up some pretty decent eating spots, for real. I was in Cleveland, Ohio, for a few days, and found a really good spot. I had some lamb. Their lamb chops were so delicious. I had lamb chops, yams, and what else did I have? Oh, and the macaroni and cheese, because I couldn't eat the greens because they cook them in pork. Mostly everybody does. It's called Girl 55 in Cleveland, Ohio. Some of the best food that you will, oh my goodness, their food is so delicious. If you're ever in the Cleveland area, or if you live there and you know what it's all about, drop a comment down below, or if you've never been there and you trust my word about some good food and you're ever about to be in the Cleveland area, then you should go check them out. Like I said, I had the I actually ate there a couple times while I was there. Greedy. So I had the lamb chops 2 days. And then I had the, what else did I try? Somebody had salmon. I tried the salmon, and somebody else had the catfish. I tried that. Everything delicious. I'm telling you, go check it out. It's a very nice spot. And I even went on a Sunday, and it was packed just for the food. It's actually like a type of a sports bar. You know what I mean? But the restaurant is absolutely amazing. The food is so good. I mean, I keep thinking about that macaroni and cheese right now. And the yams, I mean, everybody can't make good yams. We all know that, everybody, you know. Some people just have been through holidays and with meals that have just made do, right? Because I know, love my grandma to death. But there were some things, you know, praise her for her, she's got good sweet potato, you know what I'm saying? Good bake, you know. She's good for yams. But there were some things that I didn't like. I did not like stuffing until I moved out because I didn't like her stuffing. But when I tasted somebody else's, it was good. She's gonna be so mad at me for saying this. I usually talk good about you all the other times, Grandma. I really, really do. These are cold. Oh, the tips are cold. And the bottoms are. Yeah, y'all tell my grandma. I usually big her up with the cooking, but there were certain things that it took me to taste somebody else's to realize that I really like that. Mm. Oh, wow. Whew. I like snow. Snow crabs are usually good to me. They crack well. They usually don't give me no problems. Now, I'm new to the king crab community, so that is why. What do you all think about the whole situation with, you know, everybody saying justice for Breonna Taylor? What do you all think about how long it's taken to bring these officers to justice? And that's if they ever will be brought to justice, you know, or put on trial. It's really sad. Oh, excuse me, when something like that happens and you feel, you know what I mean? It's almost like there's nothing you could do about it. It's scary because it's like, what if something like this happened to one of your loved ones or one of your kids? And then it's really scary, you know? Really, really scary. I don't know what it's going to take to have to, you know, to rectify this situation besides probably maybe a law or a bill gets enacted or something. You know what I mean? How do you change? Does protest really change things? Hopefully protest gets politicians in action to, you know, make changes, but laws make changes. You know what I'm saying? So everybody, you know, keep protesting and keep doing it, and hopefully, I don't know what state she lives in, but hopefully her representative or shit, a government law will pass that, you know, that holds these officers accountable for their actions. Because like I said, it's scary out here, and I had a situation like that kind of happen to me before. Not where clearly I was, you know, but you know, it's just crazy out here. It's crazy out here in these streets, y'all. Be careful. You know it's hard out here for a pimp. I'm so hungry. I do love snow, but when you're hungry, it's like a tease unless they're deshelled because you just eating these little teeny tiny pieces. Trying to make a meal. I think some people get tired after a while of picking. Me, I don't. Not when they're good. These ones taste really good. They really are sweet. They're good. They're so good. Good. Here I go again, trying to get out the little teensy weensy pieces of meat. Oh, I'm flicking stuff. You will get messy. Crab all in my teeth. You guys, I ain't seen y'all in so long and my braids are already growing out. Trifling, sorry. I'm gonna do better. Oh, yes. That's what I wanted. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, I feel like this daggone napkin ain't even big enough. What is them things that you can use, guys, to hang on your wall if you don't want to use nails? Because every time I hang pictures, I bang nails in my wall, like old school. What do you use if you don't want to use nails? Because I know some stuff I have is so heavy. I know command strips can't possibly work for it. So if you have any suggestions on how I could hang pictures or things without having to jam, you know, put holes in my wall, or, oh, excuse me. Or minimal, you know, minimal damage to my wall. Because I'm about to get, you know, it's going to be, I'm getting it painted, so the holes are going to get filled with, what is it, drywall or plaster or whatever. And clearly I don't want to put holes in them again, so. And I need to take down them ugly, tacky pictures that I got upstairs in my dining room. I don't know when I got them, if I was just trying to throw something up or what. But they are tacky. And I be busy, guys. I be so busy because I work. You know, I got the kids. I got a whole household to run by myself. Ooh, that fell right on out for you, girl. Yeah. Plop, that's what I like. I thought there was a gnat. That's a piece. Oh, I would have been so upset. That happened so much to me whenever I was in South Carolina, because down there it's inevitable. Bugs are everywhere. So I never wanted to eat outside. Anytime there was an option to eat inside, and inside's bad too, but it's not as bad as outside. I mean, like I told y'all before, the flies just do not care down there. So gnats, flies, like if you have a fruity drink or anything out there, it's going, it doesn't even have to be a fruity drink, it's any drink, you know. That's the only thing I didn't like about it for the most part. That's the only thing. All the flies, sheesh. I was like, dang, can I get some, can I eat in peace? That's how I felt. Even, you know, nowhere was safe. Nowhere. Oh, excuse me. Nowhere was safe. Except for the hotel room. No flies in there, of course, but it was so hot down there. And like I said, flies just be everywhere. It's crazy. It's crazy. It is crazy. Crazy. Oh, ooh. Thought that was a fly. You know what? Just this, I'm gonna have to add some onion and my Old Bay and everything to that sauce. It's cool, but I like, you know, it's cool for a little bit, but I feel like I need both. You know what I mean? Like I need this sauce plus, you know, like a beloved base type of sauce. You know what I mean? Because I'm missing my onions and my Old Bay and Cajun seasoning and all, you know. I'm missing it. But it's still good. Oh, but you know, when you got a craving for something, you want it how you want it. Ooh, I think that was a piece of fat. Fat, as my kids used to call it. Comment down below if you like seeing Ava and Junior in the videos. Well, Ava and Andre. He said don't call him Junior no more. I don't know why, but he said don't call him Junior. He wants to be called Andre. Ooh, why are these not working for me no more? What's the best way to make crabs, guys? I feel like when I put them in the oven, I leave them in there too long, but I do like them that way better because I feel like they crack better for you. And if you, you know, if you cook them with the right temperature, they are good. But you know, when you, excuse me, overdo it, it could get ugly. So do you like it boiled, baked? How do you guys do yours? Steamed. I boiled these today, guys. I think I'm just gonna finish this up here and be done because I am getting a little full. And it must have been the eggs because it's like, There we go.
You need that red sauce.
I need that sauce. I need it in my life. Now, too much going on up in that one. So wait, I might eat a little bit. Wait, I might have to pick through some things because that one piece there look a little good. Oh my. I might have to be ending and leaving you soon. Ooh, I'm glad I did that because I felt like I cracked it a little too hard. You know, you gotta have just the right push, not too, and it looks like you're actually pushing hard, but you know, I guess you feel it in your own grip. What's too hard and what's not to crack it, just so it doesn't crack like all the way. That's what I'm trying to teach Ava. Because she loves crab legs, but she don't know how to, well, Ava can do snow. She can't crack the she can't crack the king crab because, I mean, they are big and they're sharp too, so. But she does, she goes to work on these bad boys. I think I'm gonna eat these. Let's save these last two for her when she comes back. They're at my dad's house at the moment with my sister. Yeah, I got an 8-year-old sister. My dad is, what is he, like 68? We got an 8-year-old daughter. Y'all gonna meet her one day on the show. Her mother actually recently passed away, so now he has full custody of her. So she's living, you know, with him, and he's raising her, along with the help of my Aunt Tanya and my grandmother. But she comes over here often. Maybe one day whenever I recording, well, whenever she's here, I'll put her on. Everybody thinks we look a lot alike. Everybody thinks all my dad's daughters look alike. I'm not eating that. Well, let me see. Could be some hidden gem. Oh, lost it. Lost it. So you guys, oh, shout out to Punky Brews for dropping her new sauce. Everybody's making a sauce. I've only ever tried B Loves, guys. I'm gonna start doing sauce reviews. Actually, that's what it's like, let me not speak, if it don't happen right away, y'all be like, she always says she's gonna do this and that. So eventually I'm gonna do some, because I'm definitely trying her sauce. I've never tried Dame Dash's sauce from I never actually bought it, but I have tried it from his recipe that he made it online. But I'm gonna try, I'm gonna want to try, you know, his that he makes, because he makes his personally. I think you could actually even heat it up right in the jar that he sends it in. Oh, excuse me. Excusez-moi, c'est the butterfly. Oh. You know what I wish we had more butcher shops close by, or grocery, because my grocery store around here does not sell. They sell like lamb shoulder chops, but they don't sell the lamb rib chops. You know, it's like lamb chops. You know, that look like a pork chop, kind of like with the little stick on it. I don't know why. I gotta travel all the way to Morgantown or either down Pittsburgh to go get lamb chops. And I'm in love with lamb chops now ever since I went to Grill 55 because they are so delicious there. I'm telling you, what they cook them in, I do not know. It tastes like a little bit of Worcestershire sauce with, I don't know. It is just so good the way that they do it. He said that they start them on the grill, then they finish them in the oven with some type of sauce. But they are so good and tender. I have never tasted a better lamb chop in my life. Oh, excuse me. Than I did at Grill 55. So like I said, if you listen, I need to save all this. I need to do a mukbang at Grill 55 just so I can show you all how good the food is. And you can see the satisfaction in my face whenever I'm eating it for yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Maybe I can go anytime I want to go. And I'm going to introduce you to the owner. I should do that. Look, I'm a little bit shy though to do all that because that's going to be like, that is something that I want to get into, but I don't know. But I'll introduce you to him and I'll show you. I'm probably going to go there and eat the lamb chops again, but I might try some different sides. But the lamb chops are to die for. I'm telling you. Go check out Grill 55. I wish, like I said, I'm going so hard about it. I wish I had the food right here in front of me. Matter of fact, let me just shut up about it until I'm there. But anyway, that's why I'm looking for lamb chops, because I want to try to make them just like that. I mean, man, those things were phenomenal. And you know what? I think I like lamb chops better than I like steak. Lamb is just like more tender to me. I love steak too, but lamb chops, medium well. Oh my goodness, forget about it. You might as well just, man. I'm thinking about them lamb chops. But I'm all full now. I'm thinking now I want lamb chops because I keep talking about them and thinking about them. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Oh my. Pat your wee, baby. Pat your wee. Excuse me. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.